So it's our second day at Machu Picchu. Today we're not gonna stay as long as yesterday since we have a train back to Cusco in the afternoon. But today we're going to climb Huayna Picchu up there, all the way up there.
So here we are on the way to Huayna Picchu. The surrounding looks like a jungle and we're excited about climbing it up. So we're on, I think, more than halfway to the top.
It's been around half an hour so far. Up like really steep, maybe the steepest Inca stairs we've seen so far. We've just reached the terraces with even more steep stairs.
Oh, look at the view. So nice. Oh man, I feel like flying here. Wow. This is very impressive. I don't remember seeing this much empty space in front of me.
Seeing Machu Picchu is really cool, and you have this huge ancient site that you can explore, but that will stop you from going to the places you'd want to explore. You can't like climb around or anything. So that's why up here it's sort of way more fun. It's very steep everywhere and you can and have to go all those ways. While in Machu Picchu, if there's even a chance that it might be slippery or something,
There will be a guard
yeah.
telling you don't do that.
Yeah, the Incas really have an obsession with building their stuff the highest up possible, where it's really hard to reach, really hard to build as well.
At the bottom of Huayna Picchu, we can see a big flat area right next to the river. This area is way easier and way nicer for agriculture and living. And we wonder why there are no remains from Incas.
So that's kind of a mystery. They were just sort of dreamy stargazers, I guess. We're now at the very top of Huayna Picchu.
Oh wow. If you're claustrophobic, don't go here.
Well, that's the only way. In this house down there, these stones, they look almost like obelisks, which of course is from a completely different culture. So we think that these obelisks might have something to do with astronomy, since over there, this is the sun gate where we were 2 days ago. The sun gate is the direction where the sun rises on the summer solstice. And this obelisk from that room really points exactly in that direction. Some of these stairs that we were walking, they're also called the stairs of death. I'm not sure if that's just because they're sort of steep and slippery and dangerous, or because people died, but the actual stairs of death, I think, are these right here. They're really right next to just the cliff and going down. If you slip from those, that's it for you. These stairs are actually half carved of the mother rock. That's very interesting. So this part of the stairs, they just sort of chiseled into the rock.
So now we're risking our life on another stairs because Inca stairs probably were too steep or did not exist, we are using these ladders. They're not breaking, but they're wet.
Man, for those ladders, you better not be afraid of heights. We just walked down around 500 meters of height and we have arrived to the bottom where there's different Inca buildings. Somewhere around here is supposed to be the Temple of the Moon, which is inside a cave. So we've reached the Gran Caverna or Templo de la Luna, the Moon Temple. It's inside this little cave, and if I remember correctly from the last moon temple that we saw, people come here to give offerings to Pachamama in order to get better crops for the next year.
So it's midday now and it just started raining. We had an amazing morning of hiking and we reached the small Huayna Picchu from where we can see Machu Picchu, and now we're ready for the pictures.
It's, what did we say?
18 past 12
12, 18.
from 7 a.m.
So, this is pretty much the end for our visit to Machu Picchu. It's been really nice days, and I think we can really say if you go to Peru and you visit just one thing, make it this place, because this really is amazing.
Reflection is killing you.
I know, but what to do?